So it starts out with the sill plate. Now, we're assuming we get to the job site, the floor deck is already built. The floor deck is sitting there waiting for us. And we're going to also focus specifically on a wood deck on this. Now, we can also build over concrete or slab on grade and things of that nature. But for this, the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to talk about building on a wood floor deck. And ultimately, all of the processes that we go through are exactly the same. It's just the very first step of the sill plate is a little bit different when you're going over concrete. So we get to the job site, the floor deck is there, the panels are staged, they've been unloaded, and we're ready to start going. Now, generally speaking, we'll stage quite a few of the wall panels right up on the floor deck. We put them up there so we can have them accessible. But you start out with the sill plate. Now, this is a 2x6 sill plate. We're talking about a standard 6-inch wall. I should probably stop for just a moment and define what a standard 6-inch wall is. There's nothing about this that's actually 6 inches. This wall is 6 3/8 wide, but it's designed to go over a standard 2x6, which is 5.5 inches wide. So when we talk about a standard 6-inch wall, it's designed to go over a 2x6. So that's what we're talking about here. So we start out with the 2x6 plates. We're going to snap a line on our floor deck 6 inches from the outside edge, because ultimately what we want is our outside OSB. Let's see if this is, let me turn this around. This is the outside OSB, and we want that outside OSB to flush out with the outside of the deck. And we want that OSB to sit down on the floor deck. And so we want the sill plate, that 1/2 inch or 7/16, but we'll call it a 1/2 inch. We want that 1/2 inch in from the edge. The easiest way to accomplish that is to snap a line 6 inches from the edge all the way around your perimeter, and then nail down, put your sill seal under your plate, and nail that plate down to the deck. So now, by going to that line that's 6 inches in, and then you've got your 5.5 inch plate, you've got a 1/2 inch gap all the way around your house, all the way around your structure for this OSB to sit on. So that's the starting point, is the sill plate.